Hello everyone, this is Mink. Right now I'm going to show you what web control the application used in the checkout process. Okay. So from the slide over here you can see that in the checkout process the application uses a wizard control, okay, to do the following steps. Okay. So this wizard control can perform the login step, and then once you've done with the login step, then you can provide the delivery address step, and then next one will be the payment step, next one will be the confirmation step, and next one will be the complete or finish step. So let's take a look of the picture next. Okay, so here is the corresponding login step. Okay, so in the checkout process, the first step is the login step. So it provides some GUI over here to allow a user to log in or to create a new account. Okay, to create a new account, and then once you have finished the login step, then you go to the next one, okay, which is the delivery address step, and then you can see it provides a lot of text boxes, okay, for you to for a user to fill in the information. And then the step after the delivery address step is the payment. Okay, so here is the payment. So you will click your payment information, and once the payment step is done, then you can go to the finish step. So you can see the finish step will show you the shopping cart information again, and then once you are done, then you can go to the order complete step. Then you will display the greeting message. Thank you for doing business with you, and then usually an order confirmation email will be sent to you as well. Okay, and then here is the web control used in the finish step. Okay, so over here it uses a gray view control. Okay. And then what happened that when you click the finish button over here, okay, so actually the wizard finish button click event will be fired. Then the statements related to the database will be executed. Okay, so over here, okay, so you can see that there's a SQL connection function will be called, and then all the related statements will be executed. Then for the for loop over here, you will loop through each car item in the profile cart item list to retrieve each item, and then set up the proper product ID, and then product quantity, and then product unit price. And then you will execute the non-query statement to insert all those correct value into the orders table, and also the order details table. And then once all those items have been in the shopping cart list has been inserted into the into the proper tables, order tables, then one statement will be executed to clean up or to clear all the items in the shopping cart. And then the transaction to the database will be committed, and then again make sure that there will be no exception. If there's an exception, then you're going to call the transactions rollback method to roll back to the state prior you add those orders into the orders table. So again, this is a very well written sample application. And then here is a very brief highlights about the code in the finish button click event. And of course, I mean, you can always add some enhancements to your project, such as order confirmation email. You can display it in more better looking HTML format, and you can also provide just pure text format. Then another one will be the secured transactions. So the simple example, assume you just want to use regular HTML connection. However, since you might want to transfer sensitive data such as credit card information, then for events like that, you might want to use HTTPS, which means secure HTML HTTP code to perform transactions. And then again, there are many enhancements you can do. I'm not going to get into all the details. So let me stop over here.